everyone, welcome to Milesight. I'm today's presenter, Shauna, from the product marketing team of Milesight. Today's webinar is focusing on the subject of Milesight Smart Restroom. We will start from Milesight introduction, then get to know the features of Smart Restroom, as well as an overview of the Milesight Smart Restroom Solution. In the third part, you will know how the Milesight solution is smart by knowing more about the features and applications of the products that fit for restroom. Finally, we will sum up the webinar together by highlighting the advantages of Milesight Smart Restroom Solution and possible applications. So, first of all, you might want to know who we are. Milesight is a professional AIoT solution provider. We believe that the complexity of high efficiency, quick connectivity, and smart communications can be integrated into an AIoT solution. Our development and distribution of these products and services demonstrate our commitment to digital transformation for a safer, smarter, and more connected world. So, why Milesight? Within years developed, Milesight is continuing providing our customers and partners with the superior product quality, professional service from our high-trained and innovative team. All of our experienced members are highly cooperative with each other for providing you the best service, products, and support. Moreover, we are also working with our distributors, solution providers, system integrators to support them in this ecosystem and building up comprehensive and end-to-end solutions together. Milesight has the historical innovation with our R&D department to combine the AI and 3D talk technologies into LoRaWAN, and we will provide more and more combination of high technology to meet our customers' need. Okay, so no more other words, let's jump into the topic today. The development of civilization and technology has been speeding the modernization, not only for cities, but also for people all the time. We are getting more and more care about self-feelings and user experience, especially at public places. And the most typical one is public restroom. And hope the technology will help with that. Smart restroom will be the future. But check this picture. Is it a smart restroom? We have to say this even cannot be called as a good restroom. Even for today, dirty, messy, disgusting, words like that are still attached with most of the public restroom. Besides, the problems like the larger number, the wide distribution, the difficulty in cleaning, and the complex management cost a large amount of money, time, and resource waste, which have always plagued cleaning staff and managers too. So, both the users and cleaning staff's experience are still waiting for better improvement. What should a smart restroom look like? So, let's see. A smart restroom needs to help with users, work staffs, and managers to obtain most advanced and great experience. First of all, it needs to be clean and tidy, which is the basic requirement. And for users, people can use the restroom conveniently with high-tech experience. For managers and staffs, they can optimize the home management and clean cycle with less human and money cost, as well as a higher efficiency. And these are just some main advantages that the smart restroom can bring. We will know more details through Milesight Smart Restroom. Okay, this is a picture about the Milesight Smart Restroom Solution. A complete smart restroom needs to contain the necessary hardware and software from end to end. Milesight Smart Restroom Solution has covered people traffic monitoring via WS301 with top technology and WS201 with AI learning. The two are unique sensors in Milesight. Then the environment air quality with GS301, the sports occupancy status with WS330. These are two particularly developed for restroom applications. It also detects the using frequency with WS301, the remaining of toilet paper with WS201, the fill level of trash bins with smart trash bin sensors. What's more, there is also needed for emergency call with WS101 and repair requirement with WS303. All of the above sensors are based on wireless deployment, while for integration, Milesight IoT controllers will help to collect wired devices data by connecting with industrial interfaces. For data collection and visualization, we offer you two options. You can either use Milesight Gateway with built-in NAS network server, which is compliant with Milesight IoT Cloud directly to realize remote control and management. Or you can looking forward to our IoT Display, which also has built-in NAS and offers the SDK for your second development and can be connected to the cloud you need, showing the content according to your requirements by installing customized apps. So we can say Milesight Smart Restroom Solution equipped with powerful products will offer you an entire new experience. Okay, so we just have an overview of the whole solution, and you must need more information to convince you the solution is smart. Let's get to know the details in the following part. First one is the WS132 3D top people counting sensor. It will count the numbers of people by line crossing detection, so you can know how many people have been served during a period, such as hourly, daily, weekly. As a result, you can obtain long-term use mode of each restroom and do better management and resources distribution. WS132 3D top people counting sensor is a unique new product because it combines 3D top technology and LoRaWAN technology. The accuracy and privacy guarantee is the main reason why is it possible for this solution. On one hand, the 3D top technology forms a 3D depth image of the object like this when detecting, and the detection won't affect even under dark situation. And there is U-turn function for locating people in the in and out regions, avoiding repetitive calculation. So the accuracy can be up to 99.500%, which stands out among similar products. Besides, the 3D depth image won't have any picture or video information. That means it prevents privacy leakage from the source. On the other hand, the LoRaWAN features like small data transmission packets and narrow bandwidth make the transmission of pictures or videos impossible. So this product has realized 100% privacy, that means the GDPR. What's more, this sensor can store 1 million data locally, which works very well to help analyze the people traffic statistics. For installation, since the line crossing detection has directionality with in and out, this device is suggested to be installed on the eaves of the doors at a height about 2.3 meters to 3 meters, according to the highest height and range you want to detect. And it will support different install ways, including beside, below, embedded, and on the eaves. Unlike other products, this sensor supports Wi-Fi configuration, which is also quite easy because that means you don't have to climb up to read NFC, but you can do all configuration on the Wi-Fi web page, making things much easier, right? Okay, and next one will be the WS101 AI Workplace Occupancy Sensor, which will monitor and report the real-time number of people within an area. So it can detect the waiting situation out of the restroom by counting how many people are in the line. With the help of this sensor, it will offer a clear and better guidance for users so they will know where they can solve the emergency in shortest time. This sensor is a very advanced project which combines LoRaWAN and AI technology. The accuracy gets enhanced with continuously deep learning. It is installed on the ceiling outside of the restroom and covers a wide area of 78 square meters for not letting corners hide away. The region detection mode can detect not only the whole numbers of people, but also supports customizing 16 regions in the area to check the occupancy status for each region. And we are planning to realizing detecting the numbers of people at each region in the following upgrade, which works for more area with one device. Please keep looking forward to it. Besides, this sensor also can achieve high accuracy up to 9800% and 100% privacy guarantee, which meets GDPR too, because LoRa won't transmit pictures or videos information. Additionally, the WS101 also supports Milesight D2D protocol, which allows it link control with other Milesight devices within 1 second. And the same as WS132, people counting sensor, all the configuration can be done on web page. With Wi-Fi, avoiding a lot of trouble too. The WS132 3D talk people counting sensor and the WS121 AI workplace occupancy sensor will work as a good partners for detecting long-term status and real-time status. This one will be WS330. There is a key factor which affects users' experience at public restrooms. That is the occupancy status. Imagine that if the users can check the available spots at any place and any time when they are in an emergency, isn't a great thing? With the help of WS330 bathroom occupancy sensor, which is in charge of detecting the occupancy status of each spot on the basis of TOF and PIR technology. It will detect both static and dynamic human objects with up to 9900% accuracy, especially fitting for restroom where you might need to keep still for a while. And since TOF only works when PIR is activated, this product consumes ultra low power and the battery life can last up to 3 years, which saves the cost a lot. The WS330 bathroom occupancy sensor supports NFC configuration for you to realize easy deployment. And one special point is that the probes are rotatable, so it can be mounted on the wall or on the ceiling depending on the applications. Besides, it complies with Milesight IOT Cloud and can be consistent with some other display devices. So the occupancy status can be shown and known remotely and locally, which is quite helpful for your management. At the same time, better user experience, since they can quickly locate the spot they can use in a short time. Okay, and next one. And there is another factor matters a lot when using public restrooms, that is the smell of the restroom. So identifying, alarming, and cleaning the air quality as soon as possible is very important. And this is where Milesight bathroom odor detector comes into play. Besides temperature and humidity, it can apply to measure the concentration of harmful gases such as ammonium and hydrogen sulfide in real time. And if the harmful gas density reaches the threshold, the alarm, including traffic lights indicator, buzzer, and uplink data packets, will be activated. So the cleaning staff can take actions quickly. It also supports Milesight D2D protocol. So you can link it with other Milesight devices to realize automatically control, such as linking it with UC and acting the ventilation when need to clear the alarming and save human resource. It is compact in size and easy to install and maintain. And besides, as one of our LoRaWAN sensor lines, bathroom door detector can be configured or turned on or turned off via NFC, which is really easy to operate. This device can be installed into each cubicle or outside of the public room area of the restroom according to your needs to keep a good air environment and a better user experience. That is very helpful. Okay, and next one part will be two products. Let's look at the left part first. In order to get higher efficiency, it will make cleaning more targeted if you can know the use frequency of each spot. The WS301 magnetic contact switch can be installed on the door of each cubicle and reporting open and closed status of the door, which will indicate often used cubicle. It can be a quite helpful reference when arrange cleaning routine and also distribute the toilet papers. The WS301 is a fast response sensor with up to 4 to 7 years battery life according to reporting frequency, and it is mini-sized and based on LoRaWAN technology, so it will realize complete wireless deployment, which is suitable for the cubicle scenarios very well. That is about the WS301. Let's keep eyes on the right part now. Monitoring the remaining of the toilet paper and replenish it before it's running out will avoid awkward situation effectively and make users feel be cared in details. Also will make a better distribution when replenish materials. The WS201 Smart Field Level Monitoring Sensor is a tiny sensor which can be installed into different containers to monitor the toilet paper situation like this, which can be very helpful. And it is powered by batteries with 2 to 4.5 years life and can be easily configured via NFC, realizing wireless installation. Okay. Next one will be the smart trash bin sensors. The trash bin sensors in the restroom often overfilling, but the cleaning staff are not able to know and clear in time. As a result, the trash is scattered on the floor, making the restroom looks very dirty. Keeping the trash bins always have space in it, Milesight has EM310 UDL, the ultrasonic distance sensor with 2 probes which can detect the filling level of trash bins. By setting up threshold value, the sensor will send alarm when the trash bin reaches the threshold, so that the trash bins can be cleared before it's full. Besides, it has industrial-grade design with IP67 waterproof, so can against harsh environment. And with built-in 3-axis accelerometers, it also can report the gesture of the trash bin in case of falling down situation. With ultra-long battery life, up to 10 years, it can not only save electricity power, but also save a lot of maintenance cost. And we are also working on another trash bin sensor, EM400 TLD now, which will come in soon, for filling level of the bins with more compact design for fitting smaller spaces. Besides the distance detection based on top technology, it is also embedded with temperature sensor. It will detect with almost no blind spots and avoid spontaneous combustion of the trash bins. And we expected it will support over 3 years battery life, which will save a lot of cost too. With accurate detection and advanced alarming, the trash bins can be cleaned without manual check, saving time with high efficiency. As a result, will improve both users and workers' experience. Okay. An instant asking for help is really significant in the restroom, especially for old people and the children. Also, it is very, very important in the third restroom. When there is an emergency, people need to be able to get help as soon as possible. We know that there is golden 15 minutes for rescue. With the WS101 SOS Smart button, people only need to press it when need help, and then it will send uplink instantly to trigger a rescue calling. Based on LoRa technology, the data transmission can be really long and the power consumption can be really low. Besides, there is built-in LED indicator and buzzer telling you the successfully trigger. The people's rescue is important, so as the properties. Milesight now developing a high-sensitive water leak detection sensor with mini size and is easy installed wirelessly. This sensor is quite well designed with IP67 which helps to against harsh environment and a long battery life up to 4 years, which makes it working robustly and steadily. By sending instant alarming for water leakage, the manager can arrange repair work immediately before worst situation, such as pipe explosion or corrosion of walls. Sometimes the leakage will cause flipping accident, which is really dangerous. So the instant repair is on demand. What's more, this device supports Milesight D2D protocol, so you can also link it with water valve via UC locally, which can prevent more leakage too. That is about these two products. And we know that not all restrooms are suitable for complete wireless solution. There are some devices such as fans, lights, meters need wired deployment. So how to integrate it with our LoRaWAN network? Here are useful products for you, our Milesight IoT controllers. One is UC100 IoT Controller, which is designed as a mini device with typical industrial interface RS485, which is able to connect to RS485 devices to realize data collection and downlink control. Based on Modbus communication protocol and built-in if-then command system, the UC100 support to read up to 16 registers, which means you can connect up to 16 other equipments to control. Then you can obtain the status and control the wired devices remotely. Besides, UC100 supports Milesight D2D too, so you are allowed to realize communication between wired and wireless directly without a gateway or other station, making control smarter and quicker. Another controller is UZ502, which has multiple industrial interfaces for connecting to different non-LoRa devices. The GPIO interface is particularly fit for bridging wired meters to LoRaWAN network. So you will know the power and electricity consumption remotely and figure out immediately when there is abnormal consumption. With IP67, you can use it to connect even when the meters are exploded to bad environment. With up to 10 years battery life, you don't have to worry about frequent maintenance. What's more, UZ50X has two versions, UZ501 and UZ502. The UZ501 is integrated with a solar panel, so it can be powered when there is sunshine without consuming battery life, which makes it work longer. To sum up, the UCs will work effectively when you need to collect data or control wired devices remotely. That is very helpful, right? Okay, and I think you have been noticed that we are talking about Milesight D2D a lot for above introductions. So what exactly is it? Milesight D2D Communication, which is developed by Milesight, is a device-to-device communications link which does not use the LoRaWAN network infrastructure, but enables LoRa-based devices to communicate directly with 1 second when they are in the same group. The communication is defined by customizable security key and advanced setting command. That means the device do not need gateway. In other words, they can communicate locally without network. So it is easy to deploy and has a pretty good real-time link within 1 second than other work modes, but consume low power consumption. This is a very, very helpful communication protocol to realize instant linkage. And we in the beginning, we said we offer you another option with the gateway. IoT Display is a really highly flexible and compatible product. First of all, it is a display for showing various content. It is compliant with Android system, so you are welcome to develop your own Android apps or systems according to your needs, such as users' feedback system, workers' attendance system, materials distribution system, etc. You can also put a 3D display of the restroom to showing the whole situation for better guidance. Anyway, you can develop the content by yourself to meet the requirements accurately. Another great point of this display is that it is built in LoRaWAN gateway with embedded network server. So the LoRa devices of this solution can be connected to the display directly, and the data can be processed and stored on the NS. You can also develop a dashboard app for data visualization on the display, or if you have your own cloud, you can also code data from the NS with SDK. Additionally, we also offer an expansion dock with multiple industrial interfaces for more types of connection. Generally speaking, IoT Display is a highly integrated product with high openness bringing the solution more flexibility and possibility. Okay, so IoT Display is one of the choice for you to do the as a gateway, and we said too there is another option for gateway choice. It's UG65 semi-industrial gateway. The UG65 has compliant with Milesight IOT Cloud platform, which fills in the gap between device and cloud, thus providing an overall end-to-end solution. With web, iOS, and Android app versions, Milesight IoT Cloud makes device-to-cloud connections secured and flexible. First thing you need to do is to add the devices to your cloud with SN number on your on My Devices module, which is quite easily. And the customizable dashboard provides multiple intuitive widgets to display the solution. To know your restroom status, all you need to do is to take a glance at the dashboard. And the map here provides devices location information. If any device is in one of the restroom is having some problems, you can receive reports and quickly locate the problematic device led by map. Triggers help realize device interaction and automate your workflow over the cloud. It can also be a great help for preventive monitoring to keep you alert through email at the very beginning of preset conditions. And daily, weekly, or monthly reports can be sent to acquire more insights of your restroom and do better management with predictable cleaning. All of the reports and alarming can be recorded on the event center for better retrieve. And with sharing center module, you are allowed to share devices with others, also receive devices from others, make integrated management more fluently. Besides, with the mobile app, you can check the status of devices at any time and realize remote control through a few clicks on the phone, which is offering most convenience for customers. Web page and the mobile app work together, lifted the barrier of an end-to-end solution. From end devices to end users, Milesight IoT Cloud is a solid bridge. Okay, so a complete solution cannot be just single product. All the products need to work together to realize most effective outcome. So why do we recommend you the Milesight Smart Restroom Solution? First of all, we are confident because our products are based on the most appropriate technology, the LoRaWAN technology. It is a typical low-power wide area network which is appreciated and used by millions of people and all around the world. With this technology, the whole solution can realize the highest wireless deployment and cover a wide area with long transmission range and with end-to-end security. Since it can only transmit small data packets, it only consumes a ultra low power consumption, at the same time guaranteeing the privacy is especially important for restroom applications. Besides, it supports either private or public deployment because the license-free spectrum means any of us can use such kind of technology without getting authority. What's more, the device will support firmware updates over the air, which save maintenance fee. We can say LoRaWAN is the basic power of the whole solution. Well, Milesight Smart Restroom Solution has realized integrated management including people management, air quality management, occupancy status management, resources consumption management, water and electricity consumption management, environment cleanliness and safety management based on real-time monitoring. With the help of wireless end-to-end solution, the managers can obtain the status of the restroom and manage it effectively and efficiently by data visualization, periodically report, smart control, and reasonable distribution. All of these not only save the energy and resources from the cost perspective, but most importantly, improve the experiences for both users and cleaning staff. In short, Milesight introduces big data to analyze the restroom situation, to fine-tune manual allocation and fundamentally correct uneven work distribution. LoRaWAN wireless communication technology, in conjunction with various AIoT sensors, can bring us a healthier and safer living environment. So, in the last part, Milesight Smart Restroom Solution, like the picture shows, is suitable for kinds of applications with numbers of public restrooms, including library, amusement park, places of interest, train station, and especially a great choice of shopping malls, office buildings, and universities, for most of them are looking for a high-tech, high-efficiency, and low-cost smart restroom solution. So we can say there is a huge market and demands on this solution. All right, that is all for our solution, and thank you for your attending today. If you've got any questions, please let us know. You can send us the emails or call our team members. In any way you feel frequently or you feel like comfortable or like you feel conveniently. So thank you for attending. That's all. Bye bye.